Are you spending unnecessary time managing your uniform program? Let Cintas take care of it so you can focus on your core business. Tracking undelivered uniforms, overseeing supplier performance, and ensuring garments are hygienically cleaned can exhaust resources. But with Cintas running your uniform program from end to end, you save time and get superior service. The reliable personal attention we provide, coupled with our deep knowledge of the food processing industry and HACCP compliance regulations, ensures you're aligned with the right partner. Whether you have thousands of employees on the processing line or a small team, our service model scales to support your goals. We'll work with you to customize a uniform program that fits your team's job demands, with ideal inventory levels to keep your production running smoothly, while transparent billing means no hidden costs or inconsistencies. Dedicated service professionals drive the process, answer your questions, and adjust the program as needed. With our complete cycle of care, your garments go through meticulous sorting, damage inspection, hygienic laundering, finishing, and delivery. Hygiene is a top priority. Every Cintas facility meets Hohenstein Institute's stringent certification standards for microbial control. This third-party certification ensures your uniforms exceed the industry's highest hygienically clean standards. We understand the importance of maintaining uninterrupted production. That's why we work diligently to provide your employees with the clean uniforms they need, right when they need them. With our committed team and customizable service, you can trust your uniform needs are met and devote your resources to what matters most.